What's up, guys? Hey, I'm just making this video real quick to show you this Murcielago Roadster Replica. Basically, this is built on a Boxster S. It's a 6-speed manual, and it's got a little over 300 horsepower. It runs okay. It's not fast like the real car, but it sure looks good. It's fun to drive. Maintenance is dirt cheap, and here's some videos and pictures of it to kind of show you more about it. So the car actually has custom-made exhaust, custom-made grills. Those are real Lamborghini taillights that are blacked out from the early generation. It's got real emblems. The wheels are 18-inch front and back, and then it's got huge brakes on it. It's got functional bat wings. This has got a hard top on it, which the real car doesn't even come with, and it's also got a soft top that's almost finished. Inside, you got black and white interior to match the outside. Everything's black and white on the car. It's got functional air ride suspension in the front. It goes up and down. It's actually pretty nice because it looks pretty sweet riding real low, but it's too low for some driveways. And got the real emblems up front. Those headlights are actually fabricated. They used LEDs and projectors, and then those rings. I'm not even sure where those rings came from, but I think they might be real. They look pretty legit. But functional windshield wiper, and you know, the standard doors for the Murcielago, which really looks cool. This car gets so much attention. I mean, even from love bugs apparently. It's got a carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber shift knob. Stereo sounds really good in it. And it's all basically a Boxster interior, which it could be changed over, but to be honest, I think keeping everything ergonomically where it needs to be and functioning, including the digital climate control that works for heat and air conditioning, everything is factory. It's pretty nice. It could easily be changed over by the next owner. It's got push to start on it, which opens. I used Corvette latches, the new C7 Corvette latches on it, and they work really nice because I'll show you here. I put a button inside here that activates when you get near, and then when you go far away from the car, it locks and the button doesn't work anymore. So it's nice and quiet. It's not like typical door poppers you find on a lot of replicas and kit cars that They make that loud clank noise. But I mean, it sounds okay. Here, I'll let you see. It's got nice pedals and stuff down below. It'll hit 72 miles an hour in second gear. It's not the fastest thing, but it's sure pretty fun to drive. That sounds nice too. The braking is pretty good for a Boxster S. I gotta say, it's really a really good braking car, and it does handle much better than I expected. The Boxster S's are known for their handling. I was a little concerned because it's stretched to 104.9 wheelbase, but I think that actually improved it. Overall, really fun car, and very cheap to maintain. All the parts are a dime a dozen on eBay. If you don't care about the lack of about 300 horsepower, it's a great car, and it's cheap to own, and people love it. I'm actually really surprised, and I tell everyone that, you know, it's custom built replica, and they still love it. In the next video, I'll show you when I put it together on how I'm doing the headlights on my Ferrari 430 rebody. It's an actual Ferrari 430, and it's going to be pretty crazy. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I think the more I can get views and the more subscribers that follow me, the more I'll be motivated to actually get on here and do videos and answer questions, maybe show you guys different parts of the build that you have questions on. I know there's a lot of builders out there, and there's not too many people out there that show you how to build custom cars. I'm not the best in the world, but I've built some pretty cool stuff, and that's what it's all about, is having fun, enjoying what you do, and then getting to enjoy the car that you built and drive it around. So thanks guys for watching, and have a great day. Hope you enjoy the video.